What is Zoloft used for? Zoloft, also known by its generic name Sertraline, is an antidepressant medication used to treat a variety of mental health conditions, including major depressive disorder, obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD, panic disorder, post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, and premenstrual dysphoric disorder, PMDD. Depression is a serious mental health condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It is characterized by persistent feelings of sadness, loss of interest in activities, and difficulty with daily tasks. For some individuals, these feelings can be so severe that they can't perform their daily activities or even leave the house. OCD, on the other hand, is a type of anxiety disorder characterized by recurrent, unwanted thoughts, ideas, or sensations, obsessions, that drive an individual to perform repetitive behaviors or mental acts, compulsions. Zoloft is a selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor, SSRI, medication, which means it works by increasing the levels of serotonin, a chemical messenger in the brain. Serotonin is responsible for regulating mood, appetite, sleep, and social behavior. By increasing the levels of serotonin, Zoloft can effectively alleviate the symptoms of depression and anxiety disorders. Zoloft is available in oral form and typically taken once a day, with or without food. The dosage can vary depending on the individual and the condition being treated. It's important to note that it may take several weeks for the full effects of the medication to be seen. In conclusion, Zoloft is an antidepressant medication used to treat a variety of mental health conditions such as major depressive disorder, OCD, panic disorder, PTSD, and PMDD. It works by increasing the levels of serotonin, a chemical messenger in the brain, which can effectively alleviate the symptoms of depression and anxiety disorders. If you or someone you know is experiencing symptoms of depression or anxiety, it is important to speak with a healthcare professional to determine the best course of treatment, including the use of Zoloft. Remember that seeking help is the first step towards recovery, and with the right treatment, individuals can lead fulfilling and healthy lives.